Need a quick contract but don't want to start from scratch? Here's how to write 3 everyday contracts in seconds using Microsoft Copilot. Number 1, business contract. Let's say you just closed a deal to provide social media services to a client. In Word, just type, create a basic service agreement between my company and a client. Be sure to check out our course at burntolearn.com, where we demonstrate how Copilot transforms your Microsoft Office tools into an unparalleled productivity suite and efficiency across all your projects. Copilot generates a professional contract with headings like scope of work, payment terms, and termination. Number 2, rental agreement. Need a rental agreement for a property or even office equipment? Type, write a simple rental contract for a furnished apartment. Copilot creates a clean, editable lease format. Want to change it to office furniture or a commercial space? Just tweak the prompt. Number 3, non-disclosure agreement. Here's one every business should have on file, an NDA. Try this prompt. Draft a basic mutual non-disclosure agreement. Copilot includes clauses for confidentiality, exclusions, and time period. Now you can protect your ideas without waiting on legal. Whether you're running a business, managing rentals, or protecting ideas, Microsoft Copilot makes contracts easy.